Here's the tool bag from Thermaflex. These are the tools we use. For processing Thermaflex materials, there are different knives, with casing, small and big. A foldable ruler to measure the diameter and length. An outside caliper to determine the diameter. The caliper, with which we can come to a certain radius. A small caliper for small diameters measurement. The whetstone to sharpen the knives. Different markers for marking on the material. A brush for applying thermoglue correctly. And the towel meter to measure different lengths. If you have any question about Thermaflex products, please visit thermaflex.com.